My name is Vidur Chandra. I'm the director at Stratus Private Limited, and we're a company engaged in manufacturing of light gauge steel structures, which is basically used for, building any kind of structure ranging from homes, villas, schools, hospitals, residential buildings, non-commercial buildings. So basically, our company is designing and manufacturing these structures, and sometimes we also take jobs on site, so doing turnkey projects. I've had experiences with ERP before. So what I really liked with your ERP was the response has been very good. So whenever, even before ordering, the time which was spent to kind of make us understand about your ERP system, that was good. Your system obviously was very easy to understand also, which made me look at it. And then I think after that, once we started, whatever you guys had put down in your processes, everything was followed. Was, whenever I wanted the person to come online, they came. Also, what I really liked, which differentiated your company to other companies, was that you were ready to come on site. A lot of companies showed a lot of hesitation, especially people who were doing cloud based. They wanted to do everything remotely, which becomes a big challenge to do everything, because like for us to take out that kind of time and sit. So I think that was the main factor which really made me also look at your company.